Hello, I'm coming to you with another book. It is called The Flower Recipe Book. It is by Althea Harampoulos and Jill Rizzo of Studio Chew. This is another book that I use when I do my floral watercolor paintings and drawings. This book has a lot of floral arrangements that will definitely inspire you to keep creating different works of art. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of this book. The size of this book is about 10 by 10, and it is a hardcover book. It's not too big, and it can fit in a backpack or something like that in case you want to go out and take this with you. So it's a nice size book too. It's kind of thick, got enough pages in here for you, and like I said, it wasn't really expensive. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what's inside this book. I'm going to show you some of the pages that I have sticky tabs. So let's see. Another good thing about this book is that when you open it up to the table of contents, it shows you a picture of each flower and the name right by it. So you have your sunflower with the picture by it, then you have your hydrangea, hyacinth, lily. So this can be used if you want to look and see some images when you look up images online. You can just simply say, oh, I want to look at a peony, or I want to look at a dahlia, and you can just type in the name of the flower, and you'll have all these different images come up. So that's another thing that I use this book for. It has a great table of contents that show you exactly the name of the flower and the picture by it. So that makes it much easier for you to know your flowers also, if you're one of those people that like to know what flowers are which. So this particular flower arrangement I like because I like the colors. It's like an orangish reddish color, so I like the way this one is set up. I also like this one because of the variety of shapes and sizes that this floral arrangement has. So it's a good thing to, when you're doing floral paintings and drawings, you want to have a nice variety of shapes and sizes. And this book will really help you to remember to create the variety of shapes and sizes. I like this one because it has the flowers kind of going out in all kind of different directions. And that is something that is also important, is you don't want to just have just a painting that just kind of looks not too creative, where you have, and this floral arrangement has the flowers kind of coming out in different directions. And you have this little bouquet of flowers where you have all these different colors. So this book will definitely show you a lot of color. And you can use this page as you have different flowers: Queen Anne's lace, sweet pea, dahlia, ranunculus, explosion grass. So these are different plants and flowers on this page. And this floral arrangement is pretty interesting too, because you have your variety of shapes. You have your flowers coming out in different directions, and I also like the way this vase is. She also has succulents in this book, and succulents are pretty interesting to paint too. So, and that is just a small amount of the floral arrangements that I've shown you. There are so many in this book. So check this book out. It will help you to create some nice paintings. So like I said, I don't really copy, but I like to take this book and use it for ideas and inspiration, and ways that I can mix around the colors and things like that. So hope you enjoyed this book review, and I'm going to show you a time lapse of the painting that I did using this book.